I just got my Apple Watch. Today we are unboxing my Apple Watch, Series 7. There we go. Woo! Hey everyone, welcome back to Rose's Raw Reality, where today we are unboxing another Apple product. Woo! Recently, I got the iPhone 13 Pro and I decided I wanted to finally upgrade to an Apple Watch. So we have the Apple Watch Series 7 right here. My Charge 3 broke and I was like, why am I gonna waste money on another Fitbit when I could get the Apple Watch and be so much fancier?
I'm so fancy.
So that is what we are opening right now. All right. Oh, that's so cool looking. Yeah. I love how it has all the little Apple Watches in the background. We're doing this and then we're doing the band. And just like the 13 Pro, there are these little tabs right here. So let's open this. I am so nervous. Okay. Oh my god, I always get such a little rush by peeling these. I don't know why. It's just this excitement. Oh! Okay, we got this. Oh, it has a little black paper around it. Before we take this out of the little paper, let's explore a little bit. We have our instructions and warnings, I think. There is no sticker in here. Thank you very much for not giving me a sticker when I have become dependent on your stickers. We got our little charger. I guess they don't have the charging brick in this either. Dang, I was gonna make a stab at them about the iPhone, but they don't have a brick in here either. So as you can see here, there is this little thing. You can just pop this open and voila. So this is what it looks like inside. And as you can see, there's a USB-C and then we have the charging pad right here. Let's just take this guy out. It's turning on! It's turning on! We got the Apple logo. We're already way ahead of when I opened this baby right here, because this one is actually turning on. Okay, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. We got this. We got our iPhone 13 Pro. We are gonna bring this shit next to it, so let's do this. Okay. Why is it in Chinese? It's like the iPhone where it says all the different languages. Open Apple Watch app. Okay, watch. We have opened the watch. We're gonna start pairing. It's having this little thing that it also does on the iPhone, and it's really easy. You just scan it. Your Apple Watch is paired. Let's set this up. What wrist do you wear it on? I don't know. I'm gonna use this hand to mess with it. So, right. Select a side for the digital crown. It wants to know where I want this little guy right here, at the top or I want it at the bottom. Let's see. I mean, what does everyone else do? I can change it later if I don't like it. Let's do bottom. Continue. I don't know what it says, but agree. I just want it to work already. I don't care about this. I'm just gonna do whatever it says here. So now we're on Apple Pay. I just wasted 17 minutes of my life adding these cards. We're not even done yet. Cool. We're just gonna jump till I'm done with this. So we are done with the wallet and now I am setting up the cellular part. So I've already signed in to my Xfinity account, which don't get me started. I hate Xfinity. I just happen to still be on contract with them. So I am going through them right now. I know. They're so horrible. I even made a video about it, but we're stuck with them for a few more months. So that's how it is. Get started. We're gathering your information. Boom. Boom. Hopefully this is really nice and easy. Yeah, I haven't even put the watch on yet because of how long this is taking. The first 3 months are free? Okay, you know what? Maybe I'm not gonna complain that much about Xfinity right now. We're good. Complete activation. We are getting activated. We are getting activated. Sorry, this is taking a lot longer than I thought, and I'm just really happy that we're finally near like the end, where I actually get to try this on and use it. You're almost there. This may take a few minutes. Your Apple Watch will let you know when it's activated. What? Still has a little thing on there. it's not quite done yet. I'm gonna do the grid view because I'm excited about the grid view, you know, where it's like all over. But like a list might be nice too, because I don't know if I'm gonna recognize all the apps from the little logo. Welcome to Apple Watch. Customize your watch. I mean, they're not like groundbreaking. You change the band, change the clock face. What I'm excited about is the fitness part of it, to see how it compares to Fitbit, because I've always not really liked the Apple Health app. It's not the best. All right, this is boring. Let's skip ahead. A new device is connected. A device called Apple Watch just connected your home device. Yeah, it's connected to my internet. While it's downloading, I got the sport wristband. I wanted black and black and black to match my soul. So we got a black wristband to go with the midnight black watch. Let's just pop this shit out. Oh, this one has the little thing that you peel. Let's get this. All right, I like the way they have this laid out with all the directions telling you how to properly do it. I'm gonna assume I am the small wrist. We got our two little bands. It's ready! It's ready, and look at it! Welcome to Apple Watch. Get to know your watch. Yes, well done. Keep exploring with more tips. No, I'm done. Now I really need to get this band on. Oh my god, this watch is going crazy, you guys. Okay, we're good. Woo! So we're done with this. Oh, wait, we need to take this guy off. But we're not completely taking this guy off, because I'm going to be testing out Fitbit versus Apple Fitness to see which one is better. But let's do this. Oh no, come on. Okay, no, this is good. So the M1 Air, the Apple Watch my dad has, unlocks his user, but this is not unlocking my user. Crap! So I actually did unlock my MacBook with my watch. Now it opens. Yes! And I also can unlock my phone with my watch. So I don't have to worry about having a mask on and not being able to open my phone. It's exciting. Shouldn't be exciting though. Like, that should just be standard that you can open your phone with a mask in a pandemic. But I guess that's asking too much, even though you have to wear a mask everywhere, so. Oh well, at least I have my Apple Watch now, so I can now just slide that up without my face. Oh, my face is showing. That was anticlimactic, but I am enjoying this. I have set my watch up to the way that I feel it's going to be most useful, although I might try some different watch faces. What I do need to do is an update though. So let's take this guy out and charge the watch so I can get the latest update. Here is the cord. There is no charging brick, but we don't need a charging brick because we have our MacBook, so we're good. So let's do this. Ba-bam! Just like the MagSafe charger for the iPhone, this can hold it up. You can wiggle it around and it just pops right on there, pops right off. We can just go like that. Sorry. We can just go like that and you can whoop. It's safe on there. Don't do what I just did. It's safe like this. You don't have to twirl it around. We're just gonna charge it and we're gonna see what this does. In the meantime, if you wanna watch some more Apple product unboxings and reviews, check out this playlist right here. And if you wanna watch my iPhone 13 Pro unboxing, check out this video right here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.